I'm going to show you how to take a tornado in the plastic bottles. Step have a stuff to make or experiment is have a scissors, food coloring, dark tape, two plastic bottle, one have water and the other one not have, and you need to take the cap off first. First step, you need to add a food coloring in this bottle. Mommy, help. You need to take it out. That is gonna be hard though. Up. We can check it. Look, the water is kind of blue. I'm gonna take the cap off. And then next step, I'm gonna take the duct tape. I'm gonna take this connect and take the dart around. The last step, you need to flip it down and you're gonna see the tomato in here. Like this. See? These are the tomato experiment tomato in the plastic bottle. Thank you.